Hello, welcome to Reviews and Ratings. This app helps you collect and display real customer reviews on your product pages, making it easier for shoppers to trust your products and make better buying decisions. Customers can easily give star ratings, write reviews, and share their experience directly from the product page. From the admin dashboard, you can manage everything, reply to customers, publish or unpublish reviews, and control what is visible on your store. You can also filter reviews by status, like published or pending, to stay organized. Show average star ratings on your product pages to instantly build credibility and highlight product quality. View all your review activity in one dashboard. See total reviews, published, pending, and replies instantly. Set up email notifications from the admin. Add your email to get alerts for new reviews. You can also customize the subject and message for better communication. Setup is simple and requires no coding. Just click the Add Block button, open the theme editor, add the reviews block, and save. Install reviews and ratings today and turn customer feedback into more trust, better experience, and higher sales.